Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this big box. So let's see what's in this box. So open. So it's in loving.
I'll not look at the content.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's see. Look at this. So this is one, and then another one.
That's just copy.
Okay,
You've
so
done
let's
before.
put this in there. 1 second. That's why I can't really see because I don't have my glasses. Okay, guys, so okay, look at this, guys. This is the Street Fighter.
That's the first day it's been released in the UK today.
It's released today.
Yeah, even though that's from the 1970s box set.
Sonny Chiba.
Yeah, the Street Fighter Trilogy.
Oh, so I think I already...
Yeah, we watched the first one.
The first one. So this is the second one.
Yeah, first, second, and third. The whole.
Oh, so it's three.
Set.
3 in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was released in America before, but this is the first time they've released it in the UK on Blu-ray.
Oh, so it's released today.
And today is the first day. It's out.
Right. So this is 3 films in this.
Yeah.
So that is the film,
17th
guys.
of April, 2023.
So that is the 3 films in this one. So the number 1 is the Street Fighter, and then the second one is Return of the Street Fighter, and the third one is the Street Fighter
Street Fighter's Revenge?
Fighters
sure.
Fast Revenge. The Street Fighters Fast Revenge, because there's something in there I can't really read. Is it Fast or Fast? Yes. So
sure.
there are 3 films in this. Oh, so
Trilogy.
that is nice. The Street Fighter. So look at that, guys. So it's nice. It's just released today
Yeah, released today in the UK.
in the UK. So this is Arrow Videos. This Arrow Videos. So this is Blu-ray, guys.
Yeah.
Blu-ray. Yeah. So the language here is Japanese and English.
Yeah. I hope all 3 are English dubbed as well, but I'm not sure if they are. The first one I would say will be.
The first one is 90 minutes. 91 minutes.
And I hope they are not cut, censored.
And then 83 minutes. These 2 are 83 minutes each. So why this one is, the first one is longer?
Different lengths. So I hope they're not censored.
Yeah, let's see. So it's subtitles, English, Japanese, English, English, English. So it's original Japanese and American version of the film. So high definition. So brand new 2 restorations.
2K.
2K. What is that? 2K.
It's like
Restoration.
4K, but half of 4K.
Oh, so they are all
That's good quality.
brand new 2K.
Yeah.
So they are all martial arts.
Yeah, those are like kung fu
Street
types
Fighter.
films, but these are Japanese, so
Yeah.
judo and kung fu.
So that is Sonny Chiba.
Yeah.
Sonny Chiba. So this is nice. I'm excited to see this. because I like this. I like the Street Fighter.
Yeah, we saw the first
Yeah,
one
it's very nice. I like it.
on
I
streaming.
really, really like it. Yes, so we cannot open it, guys, until we watch it. So
Yeah,
it's there. So so we will watch it later.
yeah. You can give them a review later. Once we've
Yes,
seen all three.
yes. All right. So this is it, guys. I'm so happy about this. So this is the unboxing for today, and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love. Thank you.